Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread without any milk. First, grab 3 very ripe bananas and mash them well in a large bowl. Next, add 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil to the mashed bananas. Stir these wet ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and smooth. This simple start ensures a moist and flavorful loaf. Now, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the flour mixture. Once combined, gently fold these dry ingredients into your wet banana mixture. Remember, mix until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough banana bread, and we want it perfectly tender. With your batter ready, pour it evenly into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Place it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the loaf. If it comes out clean, your banana bread is perfectly baked. The aroma filling your kitchen will be absolutely wonderful. Once your banana bread is out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and prevents it from breaking apart. After 10 minutes, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Cooling for at least 1 hour ensures the best texture and flavor. Then, slice and enjoy your wonderfully moist, homemade banana bread, perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.